In today's show, I'm going to give you my special recipe for the tea that can relieve or remove swelling in your body. Especially if you have swelling in the lower extremities, this perfect natural tea is going to help you a lot. If you watched at the end of the video, I'm going to recommend you my second video that is going to be best vitamin for removing swelling in your body. This drink or tea is called Dandelion Detox Tea. Swelling in the body occurs for many reasons, but one of the most dangerous are liver and the kidney disease, and the toxic state of the body that is exposed daily to chemical drugs or very bad diet that destroys whole body and worsens the swelling you have. My recipe will delight you because it is natural diuretic and powerful enhancer of the liver and the kidney functions and bodily detoxifier. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons dry dandelion leaves, 4 cups boiling water, lemon slice and honey optional. Preparation: place dandelion leaves in a large teapot. Pour boiling water over the leaves and let it steep for 10 minutes. Strain the tea into a cup. Add a slice of lemon and honey to a taste if you desire it. How to use? I will recommend you drink this tea 1 to 2 times a day for 15 days in a row, then take 15 days break and enjoy the wonderful natural remedies. Dandelion is very well known, one of the best plants in the world that can help you in many ways, but especially if you have swelling in your body. Try make this tea, drink it regularly and see how the blood fluids and excessive blood fluids are removing from your body in natural way. For everyone that wants to learn what are best and most important vitamins for removing the swelling, click on the video right here, watch it, it's going to be very beneficial for you. Thank you for following me, see you next time, bye bye.